D2DNY, Real World HVAC Simplified. And now in this video I'm just going to show you how this EC Blue EC fan, this is a German company, right? So it's a EC fan, it's called EC Blue, and you know, these are usually nowadays you're seeing them, they're in exhaust application, mostly in the commercial application. You're not going to see these in residential. If you're not doing commercial, you're not going to see these. Most likely you won't see these in residential applications, only in commercial applications. So right now this is a rooftop unit I'm doing the startup on, and so I got two of these motors on the condenser are being used as a condensing fan. Now if you had subscribed to my channel and if you have been watching my videos, you'd have seen that I have these same motor as the return fans and the evap fans. But I'm gonna go ahead right now, you know, just for you guys, you know, just for all my fans and my subscribers. Again, this is commercial HVAC. I'm currently up on the roof right here, and you can see standing on top of the unit. And I'm doing the startup. So here is the controller. Actually, I have it dragged over the side of the unit. Drag the cable because the cables are really long, and these are carel. You know, carel, just like these EC Blue motors, carel, they're used across a lot of manufacturers. All right, so this particular manufacturer, let me get back to the main screen. Doesn't show up here, but this particular manufacturer is X-Tech or Exotech. All right, so let me go ahead now and get back into the fun stuff. So there's a controls panel right there. It's a controls panel right there. I just got the cable, you know, dragged up. It's a long cable. But this is the fun stuff, right? I'm going to turn this motor on. All right, so let's get into the menu here. Service menu. Enter manual management. Put the password in. It's one. So I'm going to turn this motor on for the first time. So I want to just make sure the rotation. So you see right there, if you're a pro, you know that these blades should be turning this way. That's the rotation, right? So to move the air up, because the condenser coil is in the bottom. And you can look, if you look closely, and if you could see that, is that there's an arrow on the blade showing you the rotation. Okay, all right, so let's do it. So I'm going to go to relays output, and I'm going to, again, if you have not subscribed, go and subscribe right now. Smash that bell icon before this motor gets started. Okay, by the time this motor is running, you should be already subscribed, and the bell icon. Okay, so I'm already on manual. The bell icon be clicked on. All right, so let me go back. Analog outputs. If you want to get videos like this as soon as I upload them, all right, this is commercial HVAC, guys. You know, it's all of my subscribers. You know, if you're subscribed to my channel, these things will not be new to you. You'll see stuff like this all the time. You know what I mean? So when you're going to job, you know, you show up like a hero, like you're a superstar, right? Because you know about all these things already. When you see this, you don't go, oh my God. And when you're replacing this motor, guys, you're gonna pretty much replace the motor and the wheel, you know, simultaneously. It comes as a package. Okay, so analog outputs, and I'm gonna go for my fan, condenser fan, right there. I'm just gonna change that to manual, and I'm going to bring it up slowly. It's 2 to 10 volts DC as a signal, so 2 volts is the minimum speed, 10 volts is the maximum speed. So I'm going to bring it up slowly. Alright, so if I lower it, lower it down, you can see it stopped. Alright, so I bring it back up. There you go. You see that real time, yo, only in my channel. Alright, only in my channel. Make sure you subscribe right now. Okay, let me go back in the because I like the way all these things starts. Let me escape this real quick. I'm gonna go back into the relay outputs and press enter on that. Condenser fan. Right there. Auto. So they shut down, right? So I want to show you how it looks when it starts up. Really cool. So I'm gonna put this back onto on. All right, now let's go full speed. Let's crank this baby up. Let's crank this baby up. Crank it up. Oh, went all the way down. 10 volts. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I do upload videos on a weekly basis. That's a really strong breeze going on. I'm gonna lower the speed right now. All the way down, baby. EC Blue. EC Blue. I'm gonna give you the whole tour of this unit. These are the steam valves, steam coils for heating. Three stages of heating. Right here, that's my regen or heating fan exhaust. But this fan basically takes air over a heat recovery wheel, desiccant wheel. Desiccant, am I saying it correct? Desiccant wheel. And so it pulls the air from the outside over that wheel. And as the air goes over the wheel, the steam coil is hot. So the outside air goes over the steam coil first, heats up, and then goes over the wheel. This is the wheel right here. Oh, it's actually turning. Look at that, baby. This is commercial HVAC for you guys. And again, you know, you're seeing this stuff on my channel, right? If you're a subscriber, you know that, you know, you get a service call on one of these bad boys right here. At least you're not, oh, okay, well, oh, it's the first time you're seeing it. You don't know what's going on. You have no idea. You're calling for your supervisor, and, you know, you can show up. Oh, I've seen this before. All right, so this right here is the desiccant wheel. And that basically is heat exchanging between the regen section, whereas the outside air passes the heated air over one section of it in the box right there, and then the wheel warms up, and then there's a supply fan right there, brings the outside air over this wheel, and it warms up. This wheel warms up the air, and before it goes through the supply duct over there. Centrifugal fan right here. It's a centrifugal fan. These compressors, one of the compressors of a VFD, which is pretty cool. Looking forward to the I'm looking forward to start that up for the first time. I'm actually doing the startup on this unit. So let me grab my controller. So here's the control section. I'm in the process of, you know, terminating all the wires. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, only on my channel, baby. Only on my channel. You gotta be subscribed. Hit that bell. There's a schematic if you're interested. Wiring diagram. Okay. That's the PCO 5 Plus. These controllers, again, like I said, these are used across several manufacturers. All right, they're pretty dope, pretty cool. Okay. Here's some of the items we got attached to the controller. You can pause the video if you want to look at this. You know what I'm saying? Screenshot it, whatever you want to do. All right, but I'm going to wrap this video up right now. Okay, I want to see the compressors. Condenser coil right here. There's the compressors. They're in tandem. Okay. All right. There you have it. You want to see the evaporator coil. That's back here. That fan pulls that crazy. All right. Here's my toolbox. If you're subscribed and you watch my videos, if you go on my Instagram page, this box is familiar to you. That's my latest addition to my tools. It's Testo 557S. I did a video on that as well. I'm gonna be checking out the superheat and subcooling feature today, right? Today, because I'm gonna turn these compressors on. Okay. This unit right here, I've already have the keypad mounted because I did most of this startup already. So this is further along the way. Okay, that's mounted. You know, when it's all done, it'll be nice and clean. All the wires will be tied in. But you know, work in progress. Commercial HVAC, baby. PCO 5 Plus. If you want to upgrade or update the firmware, that's where you do it. You gotta use USB ports and that. Okay, just stick your USB stick in there with the firmware, and it's plug and play. That's dope. Comparing to the old ones, you have to use that smart key. Oh man, that's a pain in the BU. You know what? BUT. All right. So I'm gonna wrap this video up right now. you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you subscribe. Okay, video uploaded on a weekly basis.